Everyone, and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 118th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it, and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is how to use text decorating property. We'll start with doctype HTML. HTML tag, head tag, style type equals to text slash CSS, h1 tag, text decoration, underline, now h2 tag, text decoration equals to overline, now h3 tag, now a tag, now we'll end style tag, head tag, now we'll start body tag, now we'll end h1 tag, and we'll copy the text, copy the same line and paste it in the next line. Href tag equals to welcome.html, now we'll end a tag, and we'll end body tag and html tag. So now we'll just save it as 118 with the extension html and in all files. So now let us check the output. Local disk D html folder and 118 program. So this is our basic output of how to use text decorating tag property, and don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding. And if we click on it here, click here, it will show us welcome to Magic of One Click. So this is our basic output, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.